Sadly, Antichrist is parading itself as if it's for Christ. Many antichrists have decided to run ministries. It is time to expose people who are against Christ. We are exposing the forces of darkness. That is why we made a movie, Dark Minister. Now you can watch episode 1 and 2. We just dropped episode 2 right now on YouTube. Just type Dark Minister on YouTube. You will see how we exposed the forces of darkness and how you can avoid false prophets. Some people are parading like they are for Christ, but they are of Antichrist. Stay away from them. That is why you need to watch Dark Minister. You can see that this cross is inverted and there's a skeleton on the cross. That means whosoever is on this cross never resurrected. That is not what Christ represents. Many people are using inverted cross. In case you don't know, it may look like this in your face, but where they swear their oaths, this is what they swear to. Take note, you need to discover the ills and the tricks of false prophets. Watch Dark Minister right now. Type Dark Minister on YouTube. You will see the new episode 2 we just dropped of Dark Minister movie. We are doing kingdom films to expose the forces of darkness and make Christ take the glory. This is one Christian movie you don't want to miss.